Welcome to Homipedia. Welcome to our captivating showcase of farmhouse interior and kitchen design, where the timeless elegance of rustic wood intertwines harmoniously with the raw, natural allure of stone materials. In this visually enchanting journey, immerse yourself in the fusion of rustic charm and modern aesthetics, creating spaces that exude warmth, character, and unparalleled sophistication. Prepare to be inspired as our video showcases the seamless integration of rustic wood and raw stone materials, breathing life into every corner and crevice and transforming houses into homes filled with character, warmth, and a touch of rustic elegance. Our collection unveils a symphony of design elements that elevate the ambience of any living space. Witness the artistry as rustic wood accents, from reclaimed beams to handcrafted furniture, infuse each room with a sense of history and authenticity. The juxtaposition of raw stone materials adds a rugged yet elegant touch, evoking a connection to nature that transcends conventional design boundaries. Join us on this exploration of creativity and innovation, where rustic wood and raw stone materials converge to redefine the very essence of interior design. Immerse yourself in the beauty of these natural elements, revitalizing living spaces with their timeless appeal and evocative charm.